Hey guys, so this is what I got so far for my vision board. I have some printables I printed out and some I cut out of magazines. So after I paste everything or glue it down or whatever, tape it down, I'll let you guys know exactly what all the meanings are. But this one's easy. It's a new day. This is for relationships. And then you do you, and I'm gonna block this period or not. I'm gonna block that out because this is for friendships. And then I printed this out, and this you find on like those Facebook apps, like those random games you can play on Facebook. And this is a good Bible verse that popped up for me, and I was like, oh, I actually like that a lot. So that's gonna go in the center of my board or around my board, and then print out actually I can, and then work like a boss because, like you guys know, I started my own business. And then good vibes. So this is what I got so far, but I am going to print out more and cut out more magazines. And once everything is glued down and taped down or whatever, I'll definitely show you. I got a big poster board for this vision board. And yeah, I'm excited for this. Okay guys, so this is my vision board. I'll just show you what's on my vision board because I really don't mind showing people. It is what it is. Okay, I put this is my year in the middle. And then easy because I want stuff to come easy to me and remind myself it is easy to get what you want. It's a new day. If I need some motivation, say I had a bad day. So, a million subscribers on YouTube. I put reality board instead of vision board because this all will be reality one day. Vacation, I would love to go there. This is a Bible verse. This one I got off Facebook. Work like a boss because I have my own company that I'm starting up. Happy, healthy family. And then my fiance's dad gave me this as a fake $1 million bill. When he see my vision board, I have it laid out on the table in the house, and he's like, oh, I seen your vision board, and so here's your first $1 million. I was like, that's so cool. And then it says, actually, I can, for motivation. It says for relationships, money, my dream house, pool, dream car. This is a law of attraction check. So basically it's a blank check that you print out and then you write how much you want to make or receive from the universe. And so I have that. And I think that's about it. This is everything I have on my vision board. It's very simple. It's a really big board, you guys. Like, look, this is a table. So, and there's my laptop. And then there's Adrian's board he's going to make. And then I was going to put this on it, keep going, but it couldn't fit anywhere, so I was like, nope. Because I had to keep going right here, because I forgot to put this on. I was like, wait a second, no, I'd rather have that on there. And yeah, that's it for my vision board. It's really easy to make. You put whatever you want on your vision board, so go for it, have fun. This is just what I chose to put on mine, because I'm focusing on finances and stuff like that this year, and what I really want to get and achieve. And I think that's about it, you guys. So have fun making your vision boards. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. And yeah, I think that's about it. So this is my vision board on my wall. Yes, the wall's kind of dirty, I know. But this is a vision board on my wall. I use tape. I probably should have used glue or something, but this is just what I used. And I got the board from the Dollar Tree. It was like 50 cents. And then I printed the pictures out. And yeah, this is my board.